B-Boy Push, and you're about to learn how to do the kick and rock. Alright, now the kick and rock is another common move used in breaking, and we use it in a top rock. So it's a very easy 3-step move. It might seem a little tricky at first, but once you get the groove, it's really easy, and you can use this to transition into a lot of moves. It's a very good transitional move. We're gonna do the very basic of this, which not a lot of people go over, but it's almost like the running man. We're gonna make sure our knees are bent. We're gonna take one foot up, and we're gonna kick it out while the back foot replaces our weight. So I'll show you from the side. Bring up our right foot, kick it out just from our knee. We don't wanna kick like it's a football. We're just gonna kick nice and gently from the knee, just so we can swing like this. As we do that, I'm just gonna shuffle my left foot back to catch my weight. Okay, I can drop this foot down now onto my toe. This other foot's gonna prep to do the same exact move on the other side. So we're gonna kick out just from our knee, not from our hip. Okay, just nice kick and shuffle back with the other foot. That's it. We're gonna drop to our toe, switch the foot, it's gonna kick out again, drop the foot, it's gonna switch, kick out again, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick. Now this is kind of like a little bit of a running in place type of move, and this is the very base of this move, just to drop, kick, drop, kick. Now, the kick and rock utilizes this very basic move. To add a little flavor to it, we're gonna step out to the side. So, right foot, kick, drop, and left foot, step out to the side. Now, the foot that's on the side is gonna do the exact same motion, the opposite side. So we're gonna take this foot, kick out in front, we're going to kick, drop, and this foot is gonna come out to the side. And then we just repeat that pattern. Foot comes in, kicks, drops, other foot goes to the side. Comes in, kick, drop, goes to the side, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side. Now, we want to add a little bit more flavor with this. We're just going to add our arms into this. So, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side. Now we can just use our arms just to place them out, just like this. We're just gonna push them out, okay? You can push them out to the side, or up more, or across. It doesn't really matter. It's all up to you. Right now I'm just gonna push them out as I'm kicking each move. Kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side. And then we can just take these arms and push them out. It just gives a little bit more of a dynamic look to this move. Okay, let me show you from the side. We're gonna kick, drop, out, kick, drop, out, kick, drop, out, kick, drop, out. So now you need a challenge. This is what you're gonna work on. Going every direction with this. So here we go. Kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side, the other way. Now when we kick, here's the tricky part. We're gonna pivot on our left foot as we kick. Pivot, kick, okay? Pivot and kick. And you gotta hop back on the left foot, okay? Kick, drop, back, kick, drop, back. And then when we wanna switch sides, we're gonna pivot. Pivot, kick, drop, side, kick, drop, side, pivot, kick, side. And then you can take this wherever you want. It makes for a nice dynamic move that only takes 3 steps. All right, a little bonus. So a bonus for you guys, we're gonna connect these first 2 moves together. Our basic top rock and the kick and rock. So this is how we connect this, very simply. As we do the basic top rock, as we cross, whenever our foot is out, we're gonna use that as our kicking foot. If I wanna come back to this move, I just take the outside foot and cross it. Okay, one more time. We do basic top rock. And as we come in, we're gonna kick, kick. Back to the basic top rock. We just cross our leg from the outside. Kick, drop, out, cross, cross. And there you go.